Now let's move to crop care. Crop care helps to diagnose pests and disease and gives solutions to control them. Tap here to go to crop care. Let's start by taking a picture of the affected part of the crop. To do this, tap on the Start button here. Your camera will open. Take a clear, close-up picture of the problem or insect by tapping here. You can also select a photo from your gallery. Adjust the frame to focus on the affected area or the insect and tap on the tick mark. If you are not satisfied with the image, you can tap on the cross symbol and take a new picture. See, your picture has been uploaded. Now, tell us the name of your crop. Here, we have a problem in cotton crop. Which part of your crop is affected by pest or disease? Tell us by tapping on it. For example, lint. Now tap on a photo that looks similar to your problem. We are selecting this picture as this looks like the problem that we have. We can also read the symptoms to be more certain. Now the final step. Here you see many images of the same problem. You can scroll and see them one by one. If one or more of them match with your problem, you can confirm it by tapping on Start Diagnosis. You can also tap on an image to see it clearly and then expand the image like this. Our diagnosis is now complete. The problem affecting your crop is pink bollworm. Here we see what is affecting our crop and how to control it. You can tap on the recommended chemical, biological or cultural solution and see photos of products that help you in controlling the pest or disease. You can also calculate the required quantity of the medicine. All you have to do is enter your farm size here and tap on Calculate button. Here you see the exact quantity and instructions of how to apply the medicine. You can tap on the back arrow here to go back to the detailed solution. If you are still not sure about the provided solution, tap on the Ask on Farm Voice button and write about the problem you are facing. Fellow farmers and AgriCentral experts will see your problem and suggest a solution. If you had diagnosed up a disease in the past, the information is saved in crop care. See here.